Hey, have you ever wondered why we get breathless after running or playing? Yes, you are right. Our body requires oxygen for production of energy. The process of respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen is called the aerobic respiration. In this video, we shall look into the process of aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the process of cellular respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen gas to produce energy from food. In cellular respiration, organisms break down nutrients in order to produce energy in the form of ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. Let's take a look at what's happening to produce that energy. If we zoom into one of the cell, a eukaryotic cell organism, we can see the mitochondria. With the majority of the reaction involved in cellular respiration takes place in a single mitochondria. Cellular respiration consists of four primary stages: glycolysis, pyruvic acid reaction, Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, and fourth, ETC or electron cycle chain. Glycolysis. The first stage of glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm, outside of the mitochondria and inside the cell. During this process, enzymes break down glucose into two molecules of pyruvate and produce two ATP molecules and release NADH, which is used to produce energy in later step of cellular respiration. Pyruvic reaction. During this stage, the pyruvate of glycolysis moves into the mitochondria where they oxidize and two carbon acetyl groups are produced. The newly produced 2-carbon acetyl group binds with coenzyme A and produce acetyl coenzyme A. Citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle. In the Krebs cycle, the remaining carbon from the initial glucose get oxidized and release carbon dioxide, NADH and FADH2, and also produce two ATP molecules. ETC, or we can say electron transfer chain. Most ATP molecules production occurs in the electron transfer chain. In this stage, the NADH and FADH2 from the previous stage give up electrons, while this energy is released and captured as an electron moves from the higher energy to the lower energy stage. Later, this energy will be used for the production of ATP. Typically, 30 to 34 ATP molecules are produced. Oxygen is used by the ETC as a terminal electron acceptor. It then combines with the hydrogen ions to produce water or H2O. As we add up all the ATP produced from just one glucose molecule, we can see this reaction produced from 36 to 38 molecules.